Kakoa, what are you doing on the counter? Well, it looks like you're hungry. Egg's coming up.
Time to use my new wand.
Huh? An onion? Dogs don't eat onions.
Let's try this.
I got you something better, Kakoa. Here you go. Take it. Kakoa, is something wrong?
Haha, this is fun.
What? A puppy? You look just like a little curly fry. Come on, I got a surprise for you. It's a ball pit pool. Oh, you look so cute in there. I'm coming in. Ooh, you're a vicious little puppy.
They're always having so much fun. I have an idea.
Ah, a shark!
Gotcha!
Oh, Nala, you're so brave. Thanks for saving me. Come on, I got another surprise for you. Look, we're at the park. Let's go down the slides. Here we go. Yippee! You think you're ready for the big slide? Let's go.
I give up.
Whoa, this is gonna be fun. Let's go. Whee! Ooh, you stink. I think you need a bath. Let's get you all cleaned up. Here you go. Come on, don't you like the water? Hold on, I got something that'll make it better. Ball pit ball. Oh, all right. I guess you're clean enough. So fresh and so clean. Oh, you're so cute. Well, I've had a lot of fun with you, puppy, but I really miss Kakoa. Oh, Kakoa, I miss you so much. Here you go, I got a little treat for you. Bye, Kakoa, enjoy your treat.